Haga arpoh nyoterik unailur arjar arpsan. Ulat ke Jylla UCH Vijaya Shankar ulalek penjengok ya ke Umiam Dispencery kabari ke wei naik program jong swatch nari sashak parivar abhiyan. Hari ni jingle jengok ya ke Umiam Dispencery laidan langru nadu Deputy Commissioner ke District u Abilash Baranwal u Additional Deputy Commissioner u Raja Brahma ke DMHO ke District ke Dr. AR Marak ke Director of Health Service ke Dr. NE Karsano ki Asha lembat kiwe-kiwe. Hagane kesengi la penlong ru ke jingsam da ki sok ki pai ki bataimet ye ki long kemi ki badang armet bat samru da ki sanitary pads she ki khna school kumban syukudo baya ke swatch nari sashak parivar abhiyan la depan plipai ba dang ha ki nigi khandia teo ki baladam haba jingkren na kaliang ulan ke Jylla ulong bakum gene ke program galong ke bakong san bha hapo ke senong ke thau ban penjanai bha halor ke jingtirikam jong tanat ke kot ke khya badru ban pentikna ya ke kot ke khya jong ki khna abat ki long kemi ban wan check up bilade ha ki jeka ajeng sumar jong sarkar kabolong ru ulong ba ke swatch nari sashak parivar abhiyan kabalamang kerpang nang sarkar pedang
What's the major issue here? TB.
During our country, we used to do the system, especially for the pregnant women, to send it to the nursery center.
Major issue here. Big issue. Men, स्वस्थ नारी, healthy women, सशक्त परिवार, सशक्त मतलब very strong family. If at all you have to see a healthy family, strong family, well-being family, very healthy atmosphere in the family, you have to see happiness within the family, at anybody's home. The first and foremost thing, a nari means woman, she must be healthy at home. She must be healthy at home. If at all you are healthy, you take care of the entire family. You being a lady, you take care of the whole family. If at all you are not happy, your health is not okay, the whole family suffers. Not only yourself, children suffers, family members suffers. They cannot be happy. Your home atmosphere, it also cannot be all right. So Prime Minister decided, a woman, she must be healthy, she must be happy, so that this program being introduced in the entire country, not only to Meghalaya, any disease, any woman is suffering, Government of India is ready to take care of you people. Either heart disease, or cancer, or kidney, or any of the disease. If at all you are suffering, any lady is suffering, medicine is free. You have to undergo checkup before 2nd of October. If at all you undergo with medical checkup, I tell you, medicine is free. Medical checkup is free. Then let whatever amount may be for your treatment, that is also free. Understand? Before 2nd of October.
PA program was launched by the Honorable Prime Minister on the 17th of September 2025 and in our state it was launched by our Honorable Governor Sri C.H. Vijaya Shankar on the same day at the Raj Bhavan. This special program is for the special screening for women and children and screening for anemia, for tuberculosis, for the non-communicable diseases like diabetes, hypertension, oral cancer, cervical cancer, and a program for immunization for all the children. And also there will be stalls for the adolescent children also, sir, for counseling for the mothers, counseling for the adolescent on various issues of health problem or any adolescent problem that they face in their life. So we also have brought from the district hospital specialists who will be providing specialist services to all the people who have gathered here today. And I request all of you to take advantage of this free medical camp that the department has organized today during this 2 weeks of special health campaign that was launched by the Prime Minister.